Have you ever considered starting your own Christmas light installation business? Imagine the magic and joy you could bring to your community during the festive season, not to mention the potential for a lucrative income. Today, we're going to explore the world of Christmas light installation and provide a step-by-step guide on how to get started. First off, it's important to understand that starting a Christmas light install business is more than just a seasonal job. It requires planning, marketing, and a certain level of expertise. So let's begin our journey. Step 1, learn the craft. Before you can install Christmas lights for others, you need to know how to do it yourself. This includes understanding different types of lights and decorations, how to safely install and remove them, and how to troubleshoot common problems. ChristmasLights.io has online courses and in-person training that can help you acquire these skills. Step 2, develop a business plan. A well-structured business plan is vital. It should outline your target market, pricing strategy, and projected expenses and revenues. It's also crucial to include a marketing plan, which will guide how you attract and retain customers. Step 3, secure necessary licenses and insurance. Depending on where you live, you may need specific licenses to operate a Christmas light install business. You'll also need insurance to protect against potential accidents or damages. Make sure to do your research and comply with all local laws and regulations. Step 4, purchase equipment and supplies. You'll need ladders, pitch hopper, lights, wreaths, safety gear, and a reliable vehicle for transportation. Quality is key here as it can affect the safety and satisfaction of your customers. Step 5, market your business. Use social media, yard signs, Google, and word of mouth to get the word out about your new business. Offering a discount for early bookings or for referrals can also help attract initial customers. Step 6, deliver exceptional service. The success of your business hinges on customer satisfaction. Always strive to exceed expectations, and remember that a happy customer is often a repeat customer. Step 7, plan for the off-season. Once the holiday season is over, you'll need a plan for the rest of the year. This could involve offering other services such as permanent Christmas lights, landscape lighting, or event decoration, or it could mean a well-deserved break until next Christmas. In summary, starting a Christmas light install business involves learning the craft, developing a business plan, securing necessary permits and insurance, purchasing equipment, marketing your business, delivering exceptional service, and planning for the off-season. It may seem like a lot of work, but with the right approach and dedication, you could create a successful business that brings joy to your community and boosts your income. So why not light up your entrepreneurial spirit and give it a go? What's holding you back? Put it down in the comments.